We are unboxing hammock stand. So we just purchased this one from Walmart. Actually the same one is available through Amazon as well, but we purchased it from Walmart in case it's easy to return if something goes wrong in packaging. And I am just going to show you what it came with. This is the bag, and these are the tools, these are the parts to build the hammock stand. And this is the bag, as you can see, so you can carry easily in it, and also a direction how to assemble. So it was simple, easy. You just do a couple screw and that's all. So let me just show you again. This was the carrier, and you can carry easily. Putting after unfold, you can just put everything in here and carry if you're going for camping or stuff like that. So I like that it comes with the carrier. And now let's start assembling the hammock stand. It was very easy and super simple to assemble. Only 4 joint, there was 4 screw you need to put together, and that's all. 2 on the bottom and 2 on the side, and that's all. And there was like 2 hooks to connect so we can hang our hammock. So that's all, very simple. So here is our base almost ready, but then we realized that it will be too wide if we do complete hammock stand. So we came out just to avoid the struggle to take out from the door. Now we decide to put it together outside. I will leave link for the Amazon purchase in the description box so you can check it out. Now only we have to attach this hook, and as you can see they have provided 6 holes over here, so you can easily adjust the height of your hammock. And I like that thing because we end up putting into a third one, but we still had 3 more. So if we want higher or lower, we can still adjust. So I like that thing that you can, if you can buy this hammock and hammock stand separately, so you don't have to worry about if your hammock is long. You will always have an option to adjust through these whole settings. Just like my case, we have hammock separately purchased and it worked perfectly fine for us. I just want to show you my hammock. This is it, and this is nice orange, bright orange color, and I purchased this one from Puerto Rico when we were visiting over there. So I'm gonna use this. It does look so high in the beginning because it's freshly and not used, but as you use it's going to stretch out, and it worked out perfectly for us, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.